It was an ordinary day in Lego City, but suddenly, a mysterious plane appeared on the horizon. Who's on board? Some important guests. Do you think it might be the president? No, it's Hunter X, internationally renowned K-pop superstars. Oh, here comes their manager, Joe. Welcome. Come on, ladies. Time is money. Well, here we are, our first stop. I hope you enjoy it here. Make yourselves at home. Stop. Are you sure it's worth it? Oh, our stars have started a major makeover project. Okay, you're the girl bosses. Your voices sure are powerful. Well, now let's get to work, K-pop idols. You're so stylish. What is Hunter X planning to do with this fixer-upper? I already recognize this place. These are your apartments. I bet you really feel at home, don't you? I wish I could watch something now. At your service, the biggest screen in town. In the meantime, it's time to make your place bigger. Let's set up the Hunter X Hall of Fame here. You look amazing on these posters. And here, let's put all your awards. Grammy, MTV, all of them. Now what? That's gonna be a surprise for now. Let's start with the walls. Okay, time for the big reveal. Superstars need a super dressing room. We have a whole bunch of looks for everyone. Go ahead, don't be shy. Whoa, look at that. Hunter X, hurry up. We have a lot of things to do. Hurry, I'll tell you everything on the way. We have an incredibly important mission today, performing in front of man's best friend. Go, Hunter X! Come on, turn up the heat. Hey, followers. It's totally obvious that our audience is completely delighted. Every breed likes Hunter X. That was totally sick, Hunter X. Bravo! Let's get back to building. Our fans can't wait. Let's put a recording studio right in your home. Yes, you heard me right. The perfect sound insulation. The neighbors won't hear you, and you won't hear them. Every singer gets her own mic. Zoe, Mira, and Rumi. It's time to try it out. Let's get to work. And now a spot for the sound engineer. We are ready to hear your powerful voices.
Look, Wednesday, this house is gorgeous. 10 out of 10.
Looks like Wednesday has her own wild plans, and Enid is so not loving them. Boom! Goodbye, dream house. Uh-oh, looks like the housewarming party is canceled. Or maybe not. Let's hope Miss Adams knows what she's doing. We need lots of space. Of course, we'll start with the entryway, brick by brick. Now let's split it evenly after all. They're both the stars here. At least, that's what Enid thinks.
Hey!
On Enid's side, everything's cheerful as always. Bright lights, a cozy fireplace, pop art paintings, loud and colorful, just the way our girl likes it. Meanwhile, Wednesday prefers stuffed dragons, scuba diver mannequins. Okay, fine, it's just a diving suit. Girls, check it out. Oh, and let's not forget those antique statues. Let's keep building faster, faster. Our little stars need some new wheels. And hey, times are tough, so they need a proper garage. Packed with everything. Winter tires, summer tires, and even a few motorbikes for that thrill factor. Wednesday hates long, boring car rides, so she's getting a hearse. And Enid? She's all about that Mini Cooper life. No surprise there. Saddle up, girls. Full tummies, happy stars. Here's where our talented gals will dine. I bet you can already tell whose side is whose. Time to load up that fridge. A few flowers for a cozy vibe, and a long table for all the yummy treats. Let there be light. Make yourselves comfy, ladies. Enid even has her own private chef to whip up gluten-free, dairy-free delights. Wednesday? Yawn. She doesn't need a chef, she needs Lurch. He grills meat like a pro. Don't ask what kind, better keep it a mystery. Dinner is served. Next up, the wardrobe. Step behind the scenes. Don't be shy. Come on in. Here are Wednesday and Enid's vanity tables. Oh, Adams never disappoints. All bones and gloom. Meanwhile, Enid's corner is bursting with hair products and outfits. So many colors it makes your eyes spin. The final touches are in, and it's time for our stars to check it out. Of course, Enid dives right in to switch up her style. Whoa, glitter, glam, slay, total diva vibes. What's this corner for? Oh yeah, celebs have to stay fit and keep shining. This is the perfect spot for a gym. Weights, dumbbells, a boombox for fun workouts, and an icy water cooler. Machines for every taste. Whoa, looks like Miss Adams is smashing out some stress. Well, if it works, it works. Enid, time for your aerobic zone. You girls love this house already, huh? But what's next? Stick around, we're heading to the bathroom. Everything's high-tech and customized for Wednesday and Enid. Pure wow factor. It's too dark in the shower. Much better. All right, first floor done. To keep out hides and every other creepy crawler, except for the girls' relatives, we're wrapping the place in thick walls. Voila! Here's the staircase to the second floor we're heading up soon. Laying the floors, and here comes the first room. Hobbies are a must, especially if you're a natural. So here's Wednesday's archery hall. Medieval thrills are her jam. Let's add a cuckoo clock for the vibe. Cuckoo, cuckoo, how long will I live? Silent. Oh, and there's the Addams Family armory. No, that's not dirt, that's Fluffy, Wednesday's pet tarantula. This rug will fit perfectly here. No animals harmed, it's made from clay bear hide. Roll it flat, cut out the shape, trim the edges. Add some fuzzy lines. So relaxing. And now the face. Adorable. Don't forget the claws. Perfect fit. Nailed it. Wednesday hates stairs, so not glam. She's already bossing Lurch around to install an elevator. Poor guy's joints. But hey, he can't say no. Elevator coming up. Ah, that's more like it. Lurch, you multitasking legend. And not too chatty. Wonderful. The elevator works and no tired feet. Welcome to the second floor. Oh no, we almost forgot about Enid. And here she is. Come on in, miss. Time to build something really special. Enid loves having fun, so we will build her a whole playroom. Let's get to work. Enid is a true computer geek. She got herself a brand new console. We are making a TV with a Fortnite scene, a few cozy beanbags for the chill zone, arcade machines in every color and style. Basically, everything a young gamer needs to have fun. And do not forget about powerful speakers. What do you say, Enid? Too much to take in? Totally get it. Wednesday loves fun too, and her favorite way to have fun is by experimenting. This will be a real science lab. Connecting the sensors. Oh, and her second favorite pastime, medieval torture. Do not forget to add soundproofing thicker walls, please.
Ding dong, pizza!
Poor guy should not have taken that order. Wednesday, what are you doing to that poor minion? The experiment went a little out of control. Oh wait, that is sweet you just wanted to share with your friend. Enid is thrilled with the surprise. Pizza is the perfect movie snack. We need a home theater, quick. A little lighting along the way so nobody gets lost going to their seats. Whoa, what a giant screen! Take your seats, no tickets needed. Enjoy the show! Now let's glass up the second floor, reinforce the walls, and get ready to level up even higher. Perfect! Time to go up to the third floor. Lay the foundation, and now add a touch of nostalgia. Always remember where it all began. This is where you two first met, girls. Ready for the next upgrade? Yes, this is the perfect spot for a terrace. Plant some trees and bushes so even on the hottest summer day, there will be plenty of shade. And now add some lounge chairs, because Netflix stars need a flawless summer tan. You know what this terrace really needs? A huge pool. Add a waterfall and fill it up quick. It is getting hot out here. Oh, I just want to dive right in, but there is still so much to do. You girls relax and enjoy. A housewarming party has to be loud. Why not build your very own club? Right next to the dance floor, we are setting up a stage for Nevermore's top DJs. 10 out of 10. Check the sound. Whoa, those speakers have some serious bass. And what is a club without a bar? Here, guests can grab cool drinks and yummy snacks, whatever their hearts desire. There will be plenty of space for everyone to hang out. Now add some fancy antique columns. This is the style our girls picked for the club. So chic, a club for two goddesses straight down from Mount Olympus. Almost done. Wait, what is that? A real roller coaster. Any thrill seekers out there? This is definitely Wednesday's idea. She loves testing her luck like this. And right in the middle of the ride, add a hot air balloon just in case a regular coaster is not wild enough. Ready for a test run? Start it up. Whoa, I would love to ride this one. Yippee! Faster than the wind. Judging by their screams, someone is going to wake up without a voice tomorrow. Okay, we will leave them to it. Now let's move over to the other wing. And this lovely green space will be used for a graveyard. Yes, you heard that right. It feels like being surrounded by family without anyone asking when you will get married. Look at those cute little spiders. And here is the family crypt. Yep, a chilling Addams Family style zone. Silence, peace, total relax vibes. All right, it looks like Wednesday had enough of the quiet time to stretch those bones. And not just hers, everyone's. I get it, this song is impossible to resist. TikTok was full of it. And 1, and 2, and 3. The grand finale, a helipad. No dream mansion is complete without one. Install it on top. And here come the first guests already. Who is it? Mom? Dad? Whoa, everyone is here. And now our headliner is here to hype up the crowd. Hands up, Nevermore! Ballerina Cappuccina is graceful and full of energy as always. Wow, our girls changed their outfits. Yes, tonight you two are absolutely the queens of this party. This night will be unforgettable. Another perfect day for Wednesday and Enid's amazing friendship. Listen to the crowd.
Wednesday, Enid!
And now we need a drone to film this giant mansion. Whoa, just look at that view. We worked so hard today, friends. Subscribe to the channel, hit like, and do not miss more adventures with Wednesday and Enid in Lego City. We'll start making our prima ballerina's outfit. Check out this tutu. Tutu-rific. Now tighten the corset. Breathe in. And the cutest face ever. No. I said the cutest face. Perfect. Now let's get her ready for her stage debut. Aw, don't be shy. Can you support her with likes and applause? Our judges are here and waiting. Kissy, Mystery, and Huggy. Ballerina Cappuccina to the stage. She's beauty. She's grace. The crowd goes wild. The judges hit the gold
È la
button.
moglie di Cappuccino
Woohoo!
Assassino.
Who's next?
Boneca Ambalabu.
Oh, it's Bonica and Balabu. Who wants frog legs? I mean, frog wheels? Wheel frogs? Here's our natural environment. Not working. Perfect. Like a frog on a lily pad. Whoa, that got high. Imagine how many bugs Bonica can catch with skills like that.
Kan masyarakat akhir-akhir ini.
Wait, who's this?
Markus der Kaktus.
Oh, a guest from the German brain rot universe, Marcus der Cactus. We're happy to have you here. Let's build the trunk and arms so he doesn't forget his nut on the bus. We'll need a lot of fishing wire. A hair transplant for Marcus. Add the glue. And now one spike at a time. Check him out. That's what I'm talking about. What does he need that nut for? Any ideas? Oops. He's going somewhere again. Aw, that's sweet. It's a brain rot hang. Happy birthday! A surprise party. Happy birthday.
Oh my goodness!
That was close.
Markus der Kaktus ist gerade auf dem Weg nach Wixhausen.
Next we've got,
Tung 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 sahur.
wow, tung 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 sahur? Challenge accepted. I like building this. It's a fun challenge. 1, 2, 3, and we're basically done. But now we have to make this little log look more like a person. Now he needs a bat so we can really be tung 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 sahur. Great, almost done. Just have to add polish and sand it off. 10s across the board. Here you go, buddy. Now have fun. Looks like he's on the warpath. Oh no, it's Marcus's precious nut. We created a monster. Don't cry, Marcus. Karma's saving a kiss for him.
Konon katanya.
Boo 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 boom. Bombardilo crocodilo in the house. This winged reptile is a pretty formidable foe for Bombombini Gusini. Now that's a matchup I'd pay to see. This is so sick. He's quick, fast, and totally brutal.
Spioniro Golubiro.
Yeah, this shady group definitely needs somebody to keep an eye on them. But he's pretty shady himself. Does the spy need a spy? I think this guy needs a trim. Maybe that was a little much. But YOLO, am I right? Check out this trench coat. I wish I had one like that. Add a belt. Now we're about ready to take off. Add the beak and eyes. He looks sus. Let's ruffle those feathers so he doesn't look like such a chud. Now he looks presentable. Not that you'd want to bring this guy home to mama. Now his disguise. Check out his pad. I mean, his nest. Nobody can hide from his eagle eyes and his pigeon security cameras.
Golub kojeg šalje vlada u javnost. Boberito Bondito?
This is gonna be tough. He needs a nice suit so the Beaver Mafia doesn't laugh him out onto the street. Tie is tie. Not even Spioniro Golibiro has a coat like
El
this.
Bobrito Gangsterito. Banditelli Don Bobrelli.
Add sleeves and paws. And his tail, of course. Add texture. And next up, we'll be making his face. Keep your head on your shoulders, man. Draw on the nose and give him his gangster hat. Outfit of the day. Can't forget about an impressive mustache. Wait, that's too much. Let's trim it. Look, they're banding together. What? Tralalero tralala? Why is Burr Patapim chasing him? That's interesting. Looks like Bobrito figured out this is a job best left to the pigeon pros. Get them, boys.